first impressions and some sample video of the Roav A1 dash cam. Just got this today. I've got a little daytime footage and some nighttime footage. It's got the Sony sensor on it. Does have Wi-Fi. With the app you can bring it into your phone, bring your videos into your phone. Also set up your settings from there. Not very in-depth video, but a little sample footage of the A1.
Which is kind of a good band name. Comparisons based on one or more large Little Caesars pizzas with a... Kidda today and protect a lifetime.
I'd probably recommend it. It was right about $50 with the SD card, 64 gig SD card. I think I got under $75 in it. Not a bad little dash camera. Certainly better than the one I replaced. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share.